Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a fairly good intro. So if you want me to make a intro because you can't download Camtasia, I use Camtasia 3. I don't use that fancy stuff. All you have to do is go to my Jammer wall, and I'm the intro maker. I make awesome intros or good intros. Please put your username and I will get to you. So all you have to do is this. Put your username, and then I'll look you up on YouTube. And then, so basically that's how I do it. This is just going to be an example intro. So first, I go into my den. Then I have to lock my den, hold on. Because people just come into my den randomly. So all you have to do, you're just going to press start recording. And as you can see, I have that. All you're going to do is that. So count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, you're going to press stop recording. And then it's going to have this. Hold on, let me make this screen. So as you can see, I have this open. So all you have to do is cut the places you want. If you don't want a pet, just all you have to do is cut it out. Maybe it'll just show the tail if you have a mouse. So that's all you have to do if you want to just show something, one thing. But I had to use Screencast-O-Matic to film this, so you know. It's a little bit hard to get a hang of, doing this, cutting it and making it bigger. This has always been really frustrating to me. So what I do is close the media. And then so I line up all the corners. I line it up like that. And then all I have to do is this. So basically we want it about this big. Hold on. Okay, so as you can see, that's how it is. It's not wanting to work, but okay. So all you're going to do is go to Virtual Effect, and then what you're going to do is go here. Oh my god, what's happened? So as you can see, something weird is happening. So I'm going to delete this and then redo it. So that's how you delete it. So once I get this all figured out, I have no clue what's happening right now. Let's see. So as you can see, that would not save. So we're going to try that again. So all you have to do is that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, we're just going to make that smaller as well. I'm going to keep the pet in here this time. Just see if it'll make a difference. Just not make it as small. So basically, we're going to pause it for 1 second. So as you can see, if you want to turn down the volume, all you have to do is go to this volume button and click it. And that's how you do that. And if you want this green stuff to go away, all you have to do is click Virtual Effect, remove color. Then you're going to take this thing. And then, look at that. And so, as you can see, some things are just, weird. So softness, that's how you make it like that. So it won't be like all weird. And, hold on, I want to see this. Oh, that's what that does, I forgot. So basically, you can make it look actually really nice. Now, as you can see, you're probably like, how do you get that cool background? So all you have to do is minimize this, go to Safari. I'm going to make this that size. And then all you're gonna do is look up YouTube. And whatever color your thing is, you're gonna look up free moving background. So let me just look that up. As you can see, I looked up pink. Whatever color your animal is, that's probably the background you want to look up. So let's look at a couple. I'm going to turn this down so I won't get copyright. So, like, there's pink clouds. And if you don't want to go through the hassle, like, looking up music, all you have to do is look up music. And I'm pretty sure it'll come up with one. Just find your most favorite background, so I'm going to do that really quick. So I got the background I want, so I'm going to drag it right here. And as you can see, like, there's stuff and, yeah. So all we're going to do is this. So first, we're going to cut whatever we need to cut. So I'll be right back and cut it all, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so since it's like that, all you have to do is this. As you can see my username. Now all you have to do is this. And then since we can't see my character, all you have to do is opacity. And it depends how light you want it to be. I decided not to put the music in it. So all you have to do is go to music and just pick any music you would enjoy. I'm going to pick one of my favorite songs, Mad Hatter. Then so you're just going to drag it away from the rest of the things. Oh my god, it's not going right. So I'm going to cut it and I'll be right back with y'all guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the music. So that's what it looked like with the music. Now all we have to do is add text. Well, first you need to add some behaviors. I add every behavior. So this is what it looks like with all the behaviors. So I want it to begin kind of cool. So that's what it looks like. So with the audio, we're going to put a speed clip. And then I'm going to add a speed clip with the dancing. With animations, I like to add these. They're actually pretty fun. I'm going to make it that big. That's how you make, that behaviors. So second, we're going to go to animations. We're going to add every single animation that I kind of want. So I'm gonna make it that big. Well, not that big. So first we're going to put, I like to put welcome. It looks the best in caps. I'm just going to say that. Then you're going to add one behavior. It's optional if you want to add more, but this is just my opinion to add one behavior. Then you're going to write your username with the second one. Okay. Make it smaller. And you're just going to drag your mouse right there. So I'm going to use mine as an example, saying JoJo Manga. And then the last thing you're going to do is make it smaller. Just make sure you don't add the same behavior for each one. Then it's going to just look like, it won't look as, you know, creative. Enjoy. So I'm going to add different behaviors to all of them. And here is the final product. So that was the finished product. I am going to save it, produce with watermark, and you're going to press Unit 2, export. Since I'm not going to keep this, I'm just going to press this, don't save. And that's how you make an Animal Jam intro. This is really easy for me, but it might be harder for you. It was really hard for me for the beginning. But that's all, my precious snickerdoodles. Bye!